subscribe to us.
Hey guys, we are back to the channel. Today we got a brand new special gun. I'm gonna let Gabe introduce it because he's the one that's gonna be using it for Gladiator.
Actually, it's not our gun, it's our
brand new
neighbor's.
gun.
Well, technically, our neighbor was borrowed his semi-automatic CO2 canister pistol, semi, and then while over there was a little cock one. So I'm gonna be like first person, like mostly like this mostly. Or like
he doesn't have to reload it and go.
Yeah, I don't have to cock it. It's semi, so I can just pull the trigger.
So just count to 30. We'll be running. Make sure you have eye protection on. Safety first for airsoft. Sure.
Yeah. So you don't lose an eye or you get shot in your eye. That'll make you blind. So I'm supposed to be sitting here waiting 30 minutes. I mean, 30 seconds. Stupid. And weird. And Lucas is Batman. There's a fresh canister of CO2 in this thing. This will hold it. I think they're hiding behind the shed. Well, if Lucas actually had his GoPro and stuff, we could have did this because it's a snorkel mask. You can attach the GoPro to this, and we could have first person shooter. So. And plus, still, shout to our neighbor for hooking us up with this, or borrowing us, let us borrow this. I know exactly where they are. Okay, so I'm outside. I put it in my pocket. That's my label. So if it's a little too bright. Know exactly where the butts are. He suck at shooting right now. I hate this. I'm gonna go pick off Connell. My foot hurts. I landed on it weird. Scared him. I'm out, guys, so here's a montage of me reloading. I'm gonna put that down. Pop out the mag with this button right here. And you take your BBs right here. And you just pop them into the gun. So, whoops, there goes one. Sorry. Okay. We did it again. So, let's go. I'm gonna go up though.
Oh God!
You hit.
You're on the side.
You're dead. I hit you on the side. You died. You're dead. This is what I hate about them. Dead. Wait, guys. I was. What the hell?
I have 3 minutes to be revived. Let's see that.
Bang.
You can't kill me.
Bang.
I've only made it somewhere near 3 minutes to revive.
So guys, just killed Connor with his gun.
He is puppy
Sorry
guarding
about
now.
that. See, look, I just killed this guy with a gun.
I can be revived.
Hold on. You're dead. No.
Bro, that hurt so bad.
I'm sorry.
10 feet.
Give me some ammo.
Oh, that hurt my back.
Give me some ammo.
I don't have any anymore. This is all I got. I got a shot.
So call polls. I have to go reload real quick. Hey, Lucas, talk to your viewers.
What's up, guys? Hey, bro. I think he's on pause because he ran out of ammo. Hey, what's up, guys? Dudes, that flipping hurt. Like, really badly. Oh my God, that hurt. I've just been talking through my walkie. What's up, Connor? Ooh. Connor, can you come here for a sec? Oh, man. Hey, can you show him my back? Can you show him my back? Oh, man. Guys, that really hurt. Here, I'm gonna, like, show my back. Okay, it's like right around here. What did you do? It hurt. Oh! It hurt. I didn't. It's redder than if we're looking at the same thing, then it's redder. Can you revive me right now?
No, he said no reviving. We're on pause anyway.
Okay, well,
This bag's out. I might actually go run it inside. Okay.
Take the rest of mine.
Are you sure? I didn't actually get a really good shot. It was maybe like a second.
That hurt badly.
Are you sure we got the same thing?
Give him a second. You're showing the viewers my back.
I think it's that. I think it's that.
Oh wait.
Yep, that's it. Oh, that
I think it's
You're
bleeding.
bleeding a little.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you won't. Look, watch. Some blood.
It's fine.
Okay. You're going to have a massive welt.
A massive well.
Here, Gabe.
Maybe
Like-
I told
Wait,
you.
wait, let's take an airsoft, baby. Go. Just cock it.
I don't got any.
Wait,
You do.
I told you, that was my last one.
Oh, cock your gun really quick.
For what? Oh wait, my gun is hard.
Let me see.
Why?
Why?
Go.
Are you gonna see the welt?
Yeah, lift up the shoulder. I want to see.
Shit.
I want to see
Bro,
this.
don't tell my mom.
What? That you got shot with a.
Don't touch my back.
Oh, that's
Okay,
definitely.
this is his. This is the thing. Yeah, that thing's bigger than a baby gun. There you go.
It hurt. Bro, all I felt was just starting to
After
sting.
this, we're going inside and playing
This
video
still
games or something.
No.
Doesn't sting no more.
I like this.
Oh, wait,
I told you it
It's
doesn't
yours.
hurt. Right. Dude, that's annoying.
Wait,
Well,
I'm
I
dead.
actually forgot
Lucas,
where I got
should
it.
We're
you-
dead. I'm not
Lucas,
getting shot by that thing again. I'm
You're
dead.
dead.
Give me half a minute.
You mean 3
Okay,
seconds?
well, I'm dead. It's definitely been 3 minutes. I just don't want to get shot again. Oh, yeah, it's definitely been 3 minutes.
No.
Have
that-
fun. Oh my god, that hurt my back. I gotta see the footage of that.
I don't think I got it. I'm not that sure.
Okay, now try it. There's not enough light. Look at that.
Wait. There we go. That is a whale. Here. Can I wipe it very quick? And show. Nope. He is bleeding a little.
How about now? Did it wipe? You can wipe me?
Not that much.
Oh my god, I'm going inside. I'm gonna relax. That hurt.
Okay.
I told you don't go anywhere closer to 8. That is an exact example you guys should be watching and using safety precautions. Oh wait, I'm just gonna be ref. I swear if you shoot me again, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna become ref because I'm not getting shot again, so. Yep. It is nuts. Oh. Oh, Gabe won! Gladiator won!
Yeah. Yeah.
No! 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 I've been shot enough! That flipping hurt!
I think I missed anyway.
I think I missed anyway. Well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more vids. And if you guys like us doing this, please
is
leave a
what it
like.
looks
Because
like.
that flipping hurt!
Look.
And you guys, oh my god, guys. Just leaves the red marks and crap.
That's what happens when
Oh
you
my
get-
god, bro, that looks like it hurts. I gotta see the blood on my back because you guys keep saying like, there's blood on my back. Oh my god, guys, that hurt a lot. So please, like, dude, that flipping hurt.
Like, subscribe, turn on the bell.
And
Thank you to my neighbor for letting us use this gun for this vid.
Yep, airsoft rules, guys.
Guys, look. Point it at the mulch.
Yeah, that's exactly why you should not get shot with it in closer than 8
You
feet.
need armor when you're shooting, when you're getting shot.
Okay, that's exactly why the rule is if you're closer than 10 feet.
Lucas!
Oh yeah, it also does this. God don't. I'm zooming in. Okay, guys.
Stay tuned for more.
All I know is that hurts. Like
And
I'm wearing a jacket next time. Oh my god. It doesn't hurt that bad in the jeans. It just hurts in the back. Oh my god. Doesn't it hurt?
It hurts.
Yes.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for Kojo Legend and Gojo God for helping me with this vid. And bye, guys. Oh, and it definitely is neighbor.
Having this.
Oh wait. If you guys do want to buy an airsoft gun, just go on Bass Pro Shop. I know they have a lot of airsoft guns. Just go check them out.
Recommend the Colt 25.
Yes.
And also recommend one
For
with
beginners,
CO2.
yes. Definitely for beginners.
And if you're actually gonna do like a sidearm one, get one with a CO2 canister.
Yeah, if you guys are doing like professional stuff, get the one with CO2.
Like an AO that shoots really well.
Like semi-auto and crap. Oh my god. Okay,
This
I gotta
gun
check out my
right
bag.
Okay. Here.
I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you guys like these vids, like and subscribe. Because I'm gonna keep saying it again and again. It hurt. Okay? It hurt. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.